Earlier, when we created a new document, we saw that we can use templates instead of presets to create our content. A template is a great place to start if you can't think of what you want to design. Somebody else has already designed something similar, and all you need to do is follow their lead. So we're going to take a look at using Creative Cloud templates within the Photoshop application. Currently, I have Photoshop open and I'm on the home screen, the welcome screen. If you're not on the welcome screen, you won't see the Create New button here on the left, but you can always go to File and New, and you'll get the same New Document dialog box. Now, for any one of the intents that you're working with, you will always have the presets on the top, and below the presets, you will always have templates available. You have to be logged into your Creative Cloud account in order to see the templates. You won't see the templates available if you're not logged in. For example, I'm on this mobile template, or mobile intent, and I can see that it has 15 templates available. Or I can go to Art and Illustration and see that there are 14 templates available. Now what I'm looking for today is something in print. So I'm going to go to the print intent, and I can see that I have 32 templates available. And I'm going to scroll through and go down to this indie rock newspaper. When I click on it, the details to the right shows me the information about this indie rock newspaper, who created it, and where it's located in Adobe Stock. It's a flyer featuring a modern newspaper layout to promote your music event. It even says it's using the A4 layout and some smart objects. It's only 26 megabytes in size and it is free. If I click on See Preview, here's what the preview looks like. If I'm satisfied that this is what I want, I can click Download in the bottom right. Now when you click Download, I'm getting this dialog box coming up. It should go away here after it's done downloading. There, it's gone. Now you can see the progress bar is done. I can either open it, or I can go back and I can go see that it's now in my saved list. Clicking on it will allow me to open it, and now I can see in this template that I have this one artboard layout. And if I click on the different pieces, I can see in my Layers panel, when I bring up my Layers panel, there we go, all of the content that was created for this document. So everything here. It even has instructions saying your image here, Indie Music Festival, it has some content. But essentially, I just need to follow this template and change the text and work on whatever I need to work on. Now I have another template that I want to show you. This other template has, for example, artboards in it. So I want to show you that. So if I go to Create New, and I click on this photo collage and I choose Open. Now this one has many different artboards. So the indie newspaper only had the one artboard, or at least the one layer. This one has many artboards, so there are 8 of them. These artboards, if I zoom in, for example, have been given names, template 1 through template 8. The template 4 here, for example, if I click on it, it will open up inside the Layers panel, and here's all of the content. If I click on number 1, there's the number 1, your image here. Here's number 2. It gives me each one of these items. There's number 2. I go to number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. So all I need to do is replace these little squares with the images that I've got, and that'll create the collage. So working with templates provides you a guided way to create a layout of your choosing. You don't have to start from scratch, and these templates are free. So that's even better. So working with Creative Cloud templates, a very efficient way to start a new project without having to start from the beginning.